9:15 a.m. market open, positive start, continuous bullish market. After 11 o'clock downside breakout, sell call, red color candle open. Like this daily, automatically it will generate calls like a signal in this chart. Right now you are watching this video. Like this daily, you just need to watch this chart. This chart will analyze the candle movement. Once the candle breakout, once the market trend changes, you will get calls like a signal. Right now it's a downside breakout, downtrend, sell call, red color candle open. Like this daily, this chart analyze the candle movement and give the calls. You will get entry point, target and stop loss. Through these entries, you can do manual trade as well as auto trading also possible by connecting your broker account. If you want to know the chart plan detail, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Today it's a Friday market, December 27th market. We are watching in Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. It's a chart only, so you can change script like Nifty, Reliance, crude oil also. For that also the signal will come. But daily on standard basis, we are uploading video on Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. How calls generating, how it performing in live market. We are putting the video according to the live market performance. So today at 11:24, the sell call came. Sell at 51,855. Can you see that straight white line from red candle? That white line is the entry line. Below line a target line. The above line is the stop loss line. 855 is the entry. 725 is the first target line. It's a 130 point first target range. Continuous bearish momentum. So it easily break out the first target range. From opening itself, market is going downside direction only. So it easily break out the target. Like this, you can change script like in the money, at the money, out of the money. For option chart also, the signal will come. If you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the plan detail.